Hello everyone, welcome to HTML tutorial series. I'm going to discuss about what is HTML element. So I'm going to explain by using code editor, Visual Studio Code. Open in terminal and I'm going to write command code dot. So in this code editor, I have a folder HTML docs, and in this folder I'm going to create a file HTML element .html. So I'm going to discuss about what is HTML element. So what is the definition of HTML element? So HTML element is describe start tag, content and end tag. And we can say that this is from start tag to end tag. So what is the basic structure of this element? We can represent by using angular bracket, and in this angular bracket I'm going to write a start tag, and end tag is represented by angular bracket backslash and end tag. Like this is end tag, and in between from start tag to end tag, this is content. So I'm going to explain by using example. Example is angular bracket p, and in between start tag and end tag I'm going to write a text business.com. So this wall sentence is represented as a HTML element. This is start tag represented by angular tag, content business.com, and end tag represented by angular bracket and backslash p and backslash then p. So this is the example of HTML element. So now I'm going to open this file into the browser. Now this is represented represented by HTML element business.com, and it is visible, and we can inspect this page, and we can see the DOM and HTML element p business paragraph business.com, and I'm going to discuss about some empty HTML element. So what is empty HTML element? So it those element which has no end tag, like break. In break element it has no end tag. Now I'm going to discuss about what is nested HTML element. Nested HTML elements. So in nested HTML elements means HTML elements inside HTML elements. So first now I'm going to write code of nested element. So this is document angular bracket document type doc type, like document type is doc type HTML. So this is tag to define the document type, which is HTML, and I'm going to write a tag HTML tag inside the document type HTML, and body tag inside the HTML tag. So in this code I have written a document type HTML, HTML tag, body tag and paragraph tag. Paragraph tag exists inside body tag and body tag exists inside HTML tag. Now I'm going to open this file in Chrome browser. Open into the Chrome browser, and this is nested element. So I have comment this and refresh again this page, and this is visible dizziness.com, and in the DOM I have, this is body tag in HTML in document type. In document type this is an HTML, so this is the structure of DOM tree. In this structure, in this DOM, we have HTML tag. Inside the HTML tag we have head tag, and in the HTML tag we have a body tag. Inside body tag we have paragraph tag. In the paragraph tag we have content dizziness.com, which is visible in this browser, in this web page.